The House will recall
Please, Gambhir
Sri
Mamla hai.
Jadhav was awarded a death sentence by a Pakistani military court on fabricated charges. This was done without providing Indian representatives consular access to him as envisaged by international law and diplomatic practice. We made it clear even at that time that India would view very seriously the possibility that an innocent Indian citizen could face death sentence in Pakistan without due process and in violation of basic norms of law and justice. To ensure Sri Jadhav's well-being and safety and to secure his release, the House is aware that we approached the International Court of Justice to seek appropriate relief. That body stayed the execution of the death sentence as a provisional measure.
तो यहाँ पर अभी आप सुन रहे थे विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर को, जो कि कल के इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस के कुलभूषण जाधव के मामले में दिए गए फैसले की जानकारी सदन को दे रहे थे। वो बता रहे थे कि किस तरह से यहाँ पर भारत ने अपनी दलीलों को रखा है और यहाँ पर भारत को एक अहम जीत इस लिहाज से हासिल हुई है कि मौत की सजा पर रोक को जारी।
The sole dissenting judge was from Pakistan. The court pronounced that Pakistan had breached relevant obligations under the Vienna Convention on Consular Relations. It did so by not notifying India without delay of the detention of Sri Jadhav, thereby depriving us of the right to render consular assistance. Pakistan was also found to have deprived India of the right to communicate with Sri Jadhav, have access to him, visit him in detention, and arrange his legal representation. The court declared that Pakistan is under an obligation to inform Sri Jadhav without further delay of his rights and to provide India consular access to him. It stated that the appropriate reparation in this case was for Pakistan to provide, by means of its own choosing, review and reconsideration of the conviction and sentence of Sri Jadhav. It bears noting that the court has re-emphasized that the review and reconsideration of the conviction and sentence must be effective. A continued stay of execution in the judgment of the court constitutes an indispensable condition for the process of effective review and reconsideration. Sir, in 2017, Government made a commitment on the floor of the House to undertake all steps necessary to protect the interests and welfare of Sri Jadhav. Government has made untiring efforts in seeking his release, including through legal means in the International Court of Justice. I am sure that the House will join me in appreciating the efforts of all those involved, especially the legal team led by Sri Harish Salve. Yesterday's judgment is not only a vindication for India and Sri Jadhav, but for all those who believe in the rule of law and the sanctity of international conventions. The House, I'm sure, joins me in welcoming this landmark judgment. The sentiments I express on this matter are those of the entire House, indeed of the entire nation. Sir, Sri Kulbhushan Jadhav is innocent of the charges levelled against him. No forced confession, that too without legal representation and due process, will change this fact. We once again call upon Pakistan to release and repatriate him forthwith. I am confident that the House will join me in expressing its strongest solidarity with Sri Jadhav's family. They have shown exemplary courage in difficult circumstances. I can assure that the government will vigorously continue its efforts to ensure Sri Jadhav's safety and well-being, as well as his early return to India.
I'm very happy that the entire House, let me make an observation. I'm very happy that the entire House have joined together in welcoming the judgment of the International Court of Justice, and people are all concerned. They have been really complimented, and I'm happy that the ministers particularly mentioned about the services rendered by Sri Harish Salve, the two without any charge, just appearing on a nominal this thing to serve the cause of the countrymen. We are all very happy about it, and I hope we will pursue till Sri Kulbhushan is totally discharged and released.